Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Hot 40i and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you look for your game as Mobile Legends games and you can install it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner. Now Settings, Enter Family and Parental Control. We have page 3. To download game as Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty or something like this, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, confirm by OK, and there we must set it, maybe allow all including underrated. Confirm by got it and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. That's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. See you soon, bye!